I am working on Factory Girls at Stella Adler Studios, and one of the challenges was getting a phone to ring. Our sound designer wanted to try to not have to do it through the sound system, because if the phone actually rings, then you get that realness. Unfortunately, circuits exist that you can buy, but they're decently expensive. They're beyond the budget of this show, anyway. And so, after some research, I discovered that we could make this phone ring with a regular just amplifier. As long as it had enough power, I think it's at least 50 watts per channel we need to be able to push. And we needed to send it a signal. What I have here is a CD with just a 20 hertz signal on it that goes on for 2 seconds and off for 4 seconds and just repeats. And that's the same signal and the same timing as the phone company sends to make your phone ring in your home. All we have to do is use the amp to soup up the signal and give it enough voltage, and the phone will ring. How this is hooked up is we have our amp. See if we can get some more light in here. We have our amp hooked up straight to our CD player outs, and then coming out of our outputs here, our plus and our minus signal are coming out of we're in bridged mode, so the positive of left and right are hooked together. It's heat shrinked over, but we have a 470 ohm resistor on each line. And then we can follow this wire here, and it goes right into the phone. So when we start the thing going, you'll hear the phone ring. And then it's just about tuning the voltage to make sure it gets high enough that it rings, but doesn't get so high that it keeps ringing when you pick up. So I've got it tuned right now. When I pick up, it stops ringing. And when I put it down, it'll start ringing again. And so that's the project.